Lesson 36. Let's speak in English with Toto. Listen, write, read, and repeat. Mother, mother. Father, father. Sister, sister. Brother, brother. Grandmother, grandmother. Grandfather, grandfather. Family. What is your name? What's your name? My name is Jessica. My name is Jessica. How old are you? How old are you? I am 42 years old. Are you married? Yes, I am married. Do you have any children? Yes, I have 2 children, 1 boy and 1 girl. What do you do? I am a teacher. What do you teach? I teach English and I am a English teacher. Nice to meet you, Jessica. Nice to meet you too. He is my husband. He is my husband. She is my wife. She is my wife. She. His name is Tommy, and he is a good man. His. They are our children. They. We are very happy together. We are very happy together. See you soon. Next lessons.